Boo! Welcome back to my mom's channel, where we talk all about life, food, family, and fun. Does this costume make me look fat? Today we're going to teach you about some fun Halloween snacks that kids will love. Take it from a kid ninja like me.
Okay, like my boys said, this channel we do life, food, family, and fun, and today we're definitely doing something fun. We're doing 3 Halloween treats for you that you can serve on Halloween at a party and for breakfast. And if you stay all the way to the end, I'm gonna give you my favorite Halloween game tip that'll get everyone mingling. Everybody loves it. We've done it year after year, and it is a huge hit. So stay tuned to the end. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and let's do this. Our family is known for its Halloween parties, and every year we throw one. It's about 50 to 60 people, and it is so much fun. And it is a costume party. That is a contest. We have all sorts of different games, and I'll tell you one at the end if you hang out to the end, and they're super fun. So here's a couple of pictures of some costumes that my husband and I have been in. So today we're going to show you some of the things we do at those parties. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is make Bloodshot Eyeballs, and all you're going to need is some jumbo marshmallows, some scissors, a toothpick, and red and blue food coloring. So what you'll do is hold it like this and cut it long ways, just like this. And when you cut them, they end up looking exactly like the shape of eyeballs, like this. So after that, you're just gonna take your blue, and you might wanna wear gloves because it does kind of get all over you. So we're gonna take that and just drop that in the middle to make an eyeball. Then with the red, you're just gonna take a toothpick and you're gonna dip that into the red, and all you're gonna do is make your bloodshot eyes all the way around it.
I'm gonna try.
Just like this. So when we've got 2 of them, you'll want to store these in an airtight container if you're making them ahead of time. But you've got bloodshot eyeballs. So
hey,
do you guys want to try these?
My eyeballs.
Okay, so do you guys want to try one of these?
Yeah. Sure.
All right. Zach, first you try this and tell me what you think of Bloodshot Eyeballs.
They're good.
Okay, Jay, now you try. What do you think?
Marshmallow.
Okay, the second one is you're gonna be making a pumpkin fruit kabob. And I'm gonna insert a picture of what this looks like, but what you're gonna need is 1 pumpkin, not carved, and you're gonna draw a face on it with a black Sharpie, whatever it is that you wanna draw. And then you're gonna use these wooden skewers, and you're just gonna put rows of different kinds of fruit on there and then stick it into your pumpkin for its hair. And then it is going to be a beautiful centerpiece. People can come by and take fruit off of it. It is so cute. So I'm gonna insert a picture right now of what it looks like. And finally, to get your trick-or-treaters started off right, we're gonna do some Halloween pancakes, and it's super easy. So what you're gonna do is make your Halloween pancake batter, which is just regular pancake batter, and you are gonna make sure there's no lumps and it's a little bit thinner than you would normally make a pancake batter. And then you're just gonna use one of these types of containers, a ketchup one or a mustard one or whatever it is, so that you can actually draw. Now I've buttered my skillet here, and the first thing we're gonna do is make a pumpkin. So what you'll do is make the stem and make your pumpkin with its lines that come down. And as you're doing that, you're just gonna let that sit there and brown up just a bit before we fill it in. That way when we flip it over, it's actually gonna have the lines in there because they're gonna be darker. So I'll do a ghost over here. And we're gonna let that sit as well. Once this browns up a little bit, we're gonna fill it in, then we'll flip it over and you'll see what it looks like. We're going to make pumpkins, ghosts, spider webs, because in our family, the tradition is spiderweb pancakes every Halloween morning. And we've just kind of expanded a little bit into some other shapes. But there is a pumpkin, and we've got ghost, friendly ghost over here, like that. And now we're gonna do a spider web. The spider webs can be a little bit trickier. I used to make them completely open and laid them on the top, so I'll try and make one like that. I don't know if I can make those anymore. And then I'll make one that's filled in. All right, boys, we're here with our Halloween pancakes, and you're gonna test them out and see what you think. I'm observing you right now. It doesn't look like we've picked the best costumes for sampling food, but we're gonna see how it goes. Ready? Go. Jay, use your knife and cut one.
What?
Use your knife and cut one. Lean over so it doesn't spill. What do you think?
I think I need a different shoot for this.
And if you are here with me to the very end, here is my tip. Now, we have thrown multiple Halloween parties, and every year we do this game, and it is so much fun because we have about 50 to 65 people that come to these parties, and they don't all know each other. So what we do is we turn our house into a murder mystery, and the way that we do this is I print out sheets of paper that have the villains, it has the rooms that the crime was committed in, and it has the weapons. And the way that you do it is that on your piece of paper that you're giving out, each person is going to have a room that they came from. So it was the dungeon or the cellar or the attic or wherever it is. You can just pick different kind of fun Halloween type locations, and there will be all sorts of locations except for one. Then on the piece of paper, there's going to be all of the locations that are potential, and you've got to walk around and ask where everybody came from. So you're gonna say, where did you come from? And they say they came from the cemetery. You're gonna mark that off. Once you get everything marked off except one, you know where the crime occurred. As far as the villains, every year I did a theme. So the last time I did this, I did a Disney theme, so it was all Disney villains, and I had pictures of Disney villains hidden all over the house. And people have to go around the house in designated areas, wherever you want that to be, and you have to find all of them except for one. And once you found all of them except for one, you know who committed the crime. Then I hid weapons everywhere. I hid scissors and knives and ropes and hammers and all sorts of different things in my backyard, in the front yard, in the house, where people had to go around and try and find the actual weapons. And sometimes I got pretty creative, putting them in the fireplaces or in a microwave just behind, pasting it behind the microwave door. You can barely see it when the microwave's off. Just different fun places to hide it. And then once somebody has marked off all of those except one, you now know the weapon. The way that this gets people mingling is that you have to ask everybody where they came from, and then you're talking to everyone. And then I just do like a Starbucks gift card or something as a prize, and it's really, really fun. It just makes a really fun event at your Halloween party. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. We do all sorts of things on makeup tips, parenting tips, fun food stuff like this, all sorts of stuff that affect our lives on a daily basis. So please consider subscribing and share this video with your friends. And until next time, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.
See ya, ladies! Can somebody deflate me?